We offer a lifetime warranty on all our hinges and drawers. Our hinges have 3 directional adjustment, allowing for precision on-site adjustment. The adjustment technology is integrated within the backplate as well as the hinge. Front screw controls the side adjustment. The back screw controls the depth adjustment. The center screws control the height adjustment. The drawer box offers 2-dimensional adjustment. Height adjustment is controlled by loosening screw number 2 slightly and adjust screw number 1 to required position. Once in place, tighten both screws. Side adjustment is controlled by loosening screw number 2 slightly. Adjust the front to required position and then tighten screw number 2.